I am working as a logistic partner for chain supply management for businesses in providing total distribution solutions, including warehousing, offering available basket of products and services through parcel, express parcel post, speed post, and logistic post services. Recently, I have introduced print to post solutions, which offers printing, pre-mailing, dispatch, and distribution of high-volume mail under one-stop shop arrangement, providing complete solution for document printing, data management, and delivery services. Leveraging my last mile reach of the vast, unbeatable, and unparalleled network, I also offer complete distribution and financial solutions under retail post for any type of bill collections, premium collections, sale of application forms, sale of passport application form, address verification, disbursal of microcredit, sale of Rakhi envelopes, sale of gold coins, sale or purchase of foreign currency and travelers' checks, sale of flat rate boxes, and above all, I also provide travel solutions in a tie-up with the Ministry of Railways for the sale of rail tickets and rail, air and bus tickets in association with ARM1 Solutions. I also support international business by facilitating in the area of transportation of goods, flow of information, money remittances and e-commerce, international EMS, international parcel, and tie up with Deutsche Post DHL, popularly known as World Net Express Service, are some of the landmark services which are doing wonderfully well to promote international business. I also act as a multifarious marketer, playing the role of facilitator of business, an insurant, a finance mart, an agent of social development. My innumerable services as a change agent to promote financial inclusiveness and as a trustworthy and reliable banker have touched millions in myriad ways. Post Office Saving Banks is the oldest and largest banking institution in the country. It has a customer base of more than 220 million account holders, being served from network of 1,54,000 branches. The outstanding balance under various saving schemes is over 6 lakh crores as on date. On social front, I have also been given the responsibility by Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India for disbursing the wages to the beneficiaries of National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme by opening their saving bank accounts in post offices. In the area of insurance sector, my postal life insurance scheme, introduced in 1884, is the oldest life insurance scheme for the benefit of central, state government employees, civil and military personnel, local bodies, government-aided educational institutions, universities, nationalized banks, and public sector undertaking. In a major innovative, rural postal life insurance has been introduced in the year 1995 for the benefit of rural populace. While celebrating Business Development Day, my Maharashtra Circle has launched sale of the iCode card of iCode Management System Private Limited and generates sale lead and sale conversion of Chotu Cool Thunder of Godrej and Boyce Limited. Besides this, Maharashtra Circle will also provide distribution solutions from single point to Godrej and Boyce Limited through Express Parcel Post Service. While celebrating Business Development Day on 14th October 2010, my Maharashtra Circle has proudly announced that my Philatelic Bureau in Mumbai GPOs has developed Philately website www.mumbaigpophilately.gov.in. for the benefits of philatelic deposit account holders and general public also. Here you can order online philatelic items of your interest. I would also like to take this opportunity to apprise you that the Project Arrow scheme has already been implemented in 132 post offices in Maharashtra Circle and 1734 post offices across India successfully within a record time. Resultantly, I have got PMI Project Management Institute Award for Excellence for Project Arrow given on Civil Services Day 21st April 2010 by the hands of none other than Shri Manmohan Singh, Prime Minister of India, which was received by Ms. Radhika Doraiswamy, Secretary, Department of Posts, in a befitting ceremony. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for your everlasting trust and goodwill. I am grateful for the confidence you have shown in me all these years. It is because of your unrelenting support that I have become a leading institution offering one-stop shop solution. I am really proud to be associated with you and assure you that I would continue to give my best and serve you in the best manner possible. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.